Welcome, teachers. Welcome to this platform. Today, in this session, I am putting light on Diksha, that is the digital infrastructure for teachers nationally. There are teachers who want to understand it. In my previous sessions, I told you about Nishtha. Both Diksha and Nishtha are related to NCERT. I will tell you how to use this, and then I shall be putting light on the courses also. So I'm starting it and I am telling you how you will log in and how you will assess the different courses and what outcome you shall be getting. Teachers, as you can see this link, take help of Google and go to this link, that is diksha.gov.in. And the moment I get this page on the screen, I explore Diksha. Now here I am on this page where I can see board, medium, class, and subject. So whatever is your portfolio, you can log in according to that. For example, if I am in an organization or a board where I'm going for CBSE and NCERT, there are a number of options I can see here. State board option is also given here. CISCE pattern is also given here. For others also, you can click here to get the different options. So universal click I'm giving. When you scroll the options, you can get more. This is the scroll option. You will get the state-wise options as well. So the list is very big. Need not to worry whether you will get the appropriate option or not, teachers. So I am taking a universal option, that is CBSE. If your medium is out of any of these, then you can again scroll and have number of options. I am again taking a universal English option. Classes also you can choose by yourself. I am taking class 1. You have to choose the subject also. You can choose subject. If subject, you will get the books. But my idea here is to put light on the CBSE training modules. I'm not interested here actually to show you the books because books are easily available. Idea is for the CBSE training. And now I want you and I want to encourage you to go for these CBSE trainings. Now here, if I click on CBSE training and all, I will get this top window. Can you see this top window? Here I have home, digital textbooks, which are already displayed here. Very important part is this one. I want you to go here basically. So this session is actually about Diksha and the courses which are offered by Diksha. As a teacher or as a fresher, if I go on such platforms, I sometimes won't get or understand the thing properly. So just to brief you, to make you understand by my own experiences and learning, I'm serving these sessions so that the teachers get maximum help. I'm clicking on the courses. The moment I click on the course, I get number of options on the screen. Here, what I get is this one is as a course. Number of courses are there. But if I see here, it is introductional to foundational literacy. If I want to click here, what I will get is important. How you will go for such courses, that is what I'm telling you now. If I clicked on a particular course and on the top of it, I will get the grading and the name of the course along with join course option. Now, when I scroll the window down, I get number of lessons into it. That is the course module. Previously, I had discussed number of modules by Nishtha. Today, I've started with Diksha. Now, in Diksha, there are number of modules, and after each module, there is a practice question set, right? What is the meaning of this practice question set? This practice question set is meant for understanding how much you have retained from this module. And when you read these modules, read them carefully because the questions in the practice test is on the basis of these modules only. When you get appropriate score, you can generate the certificate. And for the attempts, if I talk about the attempts, 3 attempts you will get. After 3 attempts, you won't be able to generate the certificate if you do not get the appropriate score. So teachers, take care of this thing. Then when you are going through the courses, take appropriate attempts, read the content thoroughly so that you can crack it in at least 3 attempts. Now, if I click on the certificate criteria, the completion certificate will be issued upon 100% completion. If you do not complete the module, if you do not complete the practice test, you can't generate the certificate. That is the limitation. So teachers, take care of this thing and go accordingly. Now I am telling you how you will join the course. If I click here, what is the window? What this window is saying is to assess the course, you have to log in into the course. So teachers, make sure that you have a login account also on Diksha app, right? So Diksha app is to be downloaded. Then you have to log in into it. After login into it, then only you can join the course. Now I'm showing you the very first page of login so that you will not confuse when you join the app. When you click on the login, this is the very first welcome to Diksha login page. Here you can log in. If you do not have an account, you can register. The moment you register, you will be able to log in. So I hope it is clear to you teachers how Diksha work, how you can select the options, how you can go to the courses, how you can log in, what are the minimum number of, options, or you can say attempts which you can go for, and how you can generate your certificate. So try these apps. They are very beneficial for you, and keep on learning new things so that you can excel in your career and giving best learning to the children. Thank you so much for watching this session. Bye-bye and take care.